Approvals slow down, tickets pile up, teams wait for access, invoices stall, and client response times slip. For growing Tampa organizations, these are often signs of weak IT ownership, not weak technology. Christopher Leitz, president and CEO at DataTech, explains, "Business growth exposes weak IT processes before it exposes weak tools. Every new hire, vendor approval, and customer request depends on clear ownership and reliable systems. The solution is practical. Identify critical workflows, assign ownership, review recurring issues, and align security, support, and infrastructure with business operations. Strong IT processes keep healthcare, legal, finance, manufacturing, and project teams productive as they grow." Founded in 1996, DataTech supports Tampa businesses with a local data center, 24/7 US-based support, and structured escalation. Read the full article to learn how stronger IT ownership helps growing organizations scale with confidence. And add this episode to your Spotify playlist for later.